Nak Jingshah shimno ka jingim I Heprit insa piraling do maunai hakiriu trangs nam hadien bai lajat na la yeng haka khat sau tarik unai lur araja arpusan haka bai yakamet yap jong I la lapno haka step joka khat san tarik unai lur araja arpusan naka wei ka jaka lang ka badon haka wei ka yeng ka badon han nong ra nong lumbrei naka liang uba Vivek's Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District ula Pynïap ban Thaw da ka Special Investigation Team SIT ban Tohkit halor ka ni ka Jingshah Habakran sikilat pathai kubor haka no paiski jong khat santri unai lor araja arpusan uba Vivek ulaong bayaka Special Investigation Team and clear the USP city.
Nongda incident. This child, 4-year-old child, she went missing since yesterday, Sunday. At about the parents came to know that she had gone missing at about 8:45 and had lodged a missing report in Jingshah police station. Search was made in the whole locality along with the BDP, locality members, family members, police, dog squad and all that, but the child was not found and well, the search continued and this morning one of the labourers working in a construction site close by about 100 meters from the house found the body. After finding the body, the forensic team had been called and all that. The body was lifted from there and taken to Negrams. Post-mortem had been conducted. We are awaiting the report and family members, actually the post-mortem has been done today. The family members have gone to the police station to file a complaint. Case is being registered. An SIT will be formed on this case to ascertain the facts of the matter and to also zero down on the culprit or culprits. So investigation is will actually, once we delve more into this case and get the forensic reports and other analytics, then we'll be able to get a clearer picture of things. Registered as you speak now, the under murder charges. See, right now, once we start probing, then the picture will be clearer. Under construction.
So you suspect any workers there?
See, the workers actually, there's a worker who found the body in the morning. So we have actually examined the person. We'll be examining more people as the investigation progresses. No, after she went missing, alerts were sounded everywhere to all our police stations, to all units outside. And in fact, we had given out a lookout notice everywhere, thinking that she might have been lost somewhere. The sit will be headed by SP City and overall by me.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya